Yeah, hi, I'm Szabolcs. I'm one of the organizers of JSConf Budapest, and I'm here to steal 10 minutes of your life and of this meetup, sorry, because we have great news. So after 2017, we had a break. JSConf Budapest has a break, but now we are returning this year, this September. Tickets are really cheap. They're starting from 300 euros approximately. It's the end of September. We'll be going back to the Aquarium Club in the middle of the city. We were there before in 2016, and I think it was a great venue. We're going to bring you at least 20 speakers. We're going to have 3 workshops. We're going to have a hacker lounge, at least 2 parties, very good coffee. I don't know if anyone knows the Espresso Embassy. They are our coffee supplier. And first time in our lifetime, we're going to have full vegan catering with meat opt-in, so everybody can be satisfied. Okay, so quickly I'm going to talk over the speakers and the topics. Shelley War from the GitHub company, probably heard about that. She's going to talk about how they improve the API within Electron, but still remaining in the maintenance side, so not going for the hype, but keeping the maintenance level as well. Ruben, he will be talking about creating components like state machines, creating stateful UIs with state machines. Kat Kitay from the United States, she's going to discover why is the websites in the eastern hemisphere of the planet is so different from the western hemisphere. So cultural differences in design and UI. Jorge, he will be talking about testing in production, in live production code. That is a very scary topic. Balázs here is our first Hungarian speaker ever, so we are very proud of him. He will be talking about visual testing components using Storybook. Very, very interesting topic. Taylor, he's going to talk about website performance and web application performance in really, really stressful environments and offline places. He's actually working for an organization called Refugee Aid, and they are making applications for refugees crossing over Europe. And those are really tough situations they have to get into with web applications. Okay, moving forward. Charlie from Australia, she's creating interfaces within your clothes. So they are creating textile-based interfaces with JavaScript. Adam from the United States, he will teach us functional programming through music. So creating reactive web audio. Very interesting. Benedict, she'll be talking about privacy and security in web applications, creating a privacy-first application. Stephanie from Germany, she will be creating wearables and jewelry using machine learning and JavaScript, which reacts to the people around her with JavaScript, which is very interesting. Liran from Israel, he will be talking about security, vulnerability in your applications, and suspicious packages on NPM. Isa, she's going to talk about what we can learn from failure, how we can learn from failure, and how we can develop ourselves. Theas from Berlin, Germany, he's going to talk about serverless applications and progressive web applications and single-page applications. So basically, he took several frameworks like React, Angular, Vue, and started to look at how they can leverage the serverless technologies. Mauricio, he'll be creating more accessible interfaces using new web APIs like geolocation, speech recognition. So enhancing accessibility with web APIs, very good topic. Rebecca, basically, she's going to bring us how to correctly and properly debug Node or browser and fixing code. Damini from India, she is going to deep dive into Git, what we can learn from Git and how it can make it easier. Brandon, also from Australia, I don't know what's with these guys. So they are actually detecting brainwaves using the Web Audio API for healthcare products. Eva from Buenos Aires, she will be creating funky video effects from the 80s, like, I don't know if you know the Take On Me video clip. She'll be recreating that with web video and web technologies. Very nice. And almost the last speaker, Vitaly, he was going to talk about algorithms, several algorithms, but how we can use them and use them effectively within web apps, because sometimes we just overlook them, sometimes we can focus on them and make our lives very easier. We're going to have a surprise speaker. We are still negotiating with them. It will be great. We are going to announce that hopefully really soon. Okay, so, nope, this is not the code, sorry. Okay, I'm just. Okay, so, yep. Don't mind the slash. Okay. No, I'm just gonna. Okay, no, it's correct. So yeah, we provide the Budapest JS meetup with a discount code. This is the discount. If you can take a screenshot of it, and it will be spread, I think, in the meetup group. Using this code, it will give you 10% of the price. But there's something more. We started CSSConf Budapest in 2016, and now they are returning too. I'm organizing that as well. Some topics. Jeremy Wagner, he's going to talk about Houdini, paint worklets, JS in CSS. Demian Zenger, variable fonts and web typography. Alan Stearns, he's working I don't know which one or which organization, I think the V3C. And we'll talk about how to properly bug report browsers, how you can tell on browsers that, no, it's not my code, it's your browser. Mike Rickmuller from Australia, I love this guy. He's going to talk about architecture within design systems and for components, like when to use Sass, when to use CSS variables, very good topic. Catherine, she will talk about also with architecture and components and CSS in JS. Beware the hype, this is the topic. So not is gold but glitters. Xavier, he's going to talk about SVG animations. I love that topic. David, you probably met him at the Craft conference. He's going to bring us the state machine talk of stateful styles, actually. Julia, she'll be talking about making games and drawings from CSS just to learn CSS. Yuling, and then she's going to have a co-speaker. They will talk about developer experience, communication between teams like designers and developers, and teamwork. The same discount code applies. The ticket is even cheaper for CSSConf Budapest. We have a combo ticket, so the same ticket code can be used for a combo ticket to get both. And there's still more. We are going to have free workshops on the day before the events on September 24th. Like high-performance microservices with GraphQL and Apollo by Rising Stack. Twilio is going to bring us a workshop about how to use Twilio. Basically, they are a VoIP and SMS messaging service. And there will be 8-bit music, lots of phone calls. They might even create how to send fax over the internet, so like crazy. Very useful, yeah. Integration-driven development by Amok.io. They basically created a framework where you can mock several integrations like Slack, like Google Sheets, like, I don't know, lots of integrations. You can mock these and develop and test your applications properly. And we're going to have more workshops. We're going to announce those on Twitter and on Facebook and everywhere we can. Okay, they are free. Everybody who has a JSConf ticket can go to a workshop for free. But the workshop has limited seats, so get your ticket quickly. Okay, I hope we'll meet in September, and thank you for your time.